This is Brendan with Century 21 Trophy Class Real Estate, and I am excited to bring to you this beautiful property. Just south of the edge of town sits this expansive 51.7 acre parcel in Union Township. This property offers a plethora of options. With zoning that allows for single or multi-family housing, there is great potential for development or building your dream home on this large acreage parcel on the edge of town. This property also holds great potential for the outdoorsman with tons of deer and wildlife sign throughout the property. You can have the great outdoor experience with all the amenities nearby. If this is something that interests you, please reach out to me at 616-550-4446 to set up your own private showing today. I look forward to seeing you out here.